Superposition Theorem, Step-by-Step Guide, with solved example. Superposition Theorem states that, in any linear, bilateral network with multiple independent sources, the voltage across, or current through any branch, is the algebraic sum of the voltages or currents produced by each independent source acting alone. Let's solve an example. Using superposition theorem, find the current, IL, through the 8-ohm resistor. Solution. Step 1. Considering only the 28-volt voltage source. Replace the current source with an open circuit. Since the current source is open-circuited, no current flows through the 10-ohm resistor, reducing the circuit to a single loop. To find IL1, apply KVL. IL1 is equal to 2 amps. Step 2. Considering only the 28 amps current source. Replace the voltage source with a short circuit. Now the circuit has 2 loops with currents I1 and I2. To find IL2, apply KVL to the loop 1. From the current source, I2 is equal to 28 amps. I1 is equal to 16 amps. Since the 8-ohm resistor is common to both loops, IL2 is equal to I1 minus I2. IL2 is equal to minus 12 amps. Step 3. Considering both the sources. Total current through the 8-ohm resistor. IL is equal to IL1 plus IL2. IL is equal to minus 10 amps. The negative sign indicates that the actual current flows opposite to the assumed direction.